Hey guys, I'm back again to unbox a really cool figure. I know I call them all cool, but this one here is extremely cool. It is my first 1/12 scale Damtoys figure. And this one here is an odd one called Metalhead Tony. So let's see what this one's all about. Got my scalpel. I ordered this one all the way from America, and had it on pre-order for a while because it all sold out. So that's the first thing I see out of the box, a little booklet and a sticker. Oh, this is such a cute little box. Down the bottom there it says COALDOG and his name, Tony. Oh, and some pictures of him at the back. At the top it says Death Gas Station, and it shows you him in some poses. So I'll open it up. So small. Wow. So this is the insides. So what we are getting here is a 15 centimetre, almost, well, 6-inch figure. Fabric clothing, highly articulated. The mouth can open and close. And the contents are 6 hands, a helmet, a cigar, a stake, spirits, water pipe, wallet and word bubble. So it's quite a lot of accessories. Let's have a look at the figure first. Here he is. He's a robot with a green body. That's the back of him. He's got his name at the back. Really cool name, Tony. Let's have a look at this. His head opens and closes like that. Hello. He's got a nice grey t-shirt there. I love these jeans. The boots are great. So double jointed arms in good old fashioned Damtoys fashion. The legs are okay as far as articulation go. I wouldn't say they are. Oh, wait a minute, this one, yeah, sorry, I didn't want to force it, but they are actually double jointed as well. So look at that. The ankle, let's just see, the head can go up and down too. There's movement in the wrists. So there is, this figure is fantastic on articulation. So many poses to be had, and I've seen a lot of photos with him on a motorcycle, so easily sitting down on a motorcycle. I will add some pictures of him after the video if you stick around. See some poses. His jeans look really cool. They look kind of distressed, weathered. That really makes the figure look really cool. Love it. I love how weird it is. Let's have a look at his accessories. So he comes with this helmet, which open and closes. I mean, he definitely has to be on a bike now, doesn't he? With a helmet like that. That is so cool. Does it fit him? Yeah, look at that. So he comes with a helmet. He comes with different kind of hands. I won't get them all out, but you can see they're all different. He comes with for some reason he's a carnivore, so he comes with a steak. These are all sellotaped in. What did I say this was now? Let me just check. This is a water pipe, I suppose. That is a water pipe. Looks like a walking stick. And then little spirits in there. Little bottle. He likes his fine dining with his steak and his bottle. His little speech bubble thing. It says go on one side and he could be swearing on the other side. He's got a little cigar there. And then he's got a wallet with a chain. That is so cool. I won't even attempt to try and open it. So that's it. I just wanted to make a really quick video to show you what he's all about. There seems to be another 2 of these figures in this line. I've bought one already. It's on pre-order. Another robot kind of guy in overalls. And then there seems to be like a dog. An actual dog head with a body, which sounds weird, but it is really cool. So hopefully I'll have them all one day.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Oops.
Here are other things you can try.
Google has gone crazy. Hey Google, shut up. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in comments. Thanks guys.